Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense. We break down grammar, teach you useful phrases, and with over 1,000 videos, there's always something new to learn. Whether it's for school, work, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. New lessons every week, if not every day, so hit subscribe and join the community. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together, one English lesson at a time.
Let's practice English 3. Asking basic questions to improve your English level. I wish you good luck. Ask questions. My name's Jess. I am from Morocco. I am 23. My address is California Street number 41, F3, Madrid. So let's see the answers. So my name's Jess. The question is, what's your name? What's your name? My name's Jess. Number 2. I am from Morocco. The question is, where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Morocco. Number 3. I am 23. What's the question? The question is, how old are you? How old are you? I am 23. And the last question, what's your address? My address is California Street, number 41, F3, Madrid. So the most important thing in these questions are what's your, are you, how old are you, what's your. So the first question, what's your name? And the last question, what's your address? And where are you from? And how old are you? So if you have written the answers, let's go to the next slide. If you haven't finished, stop the video here and write the answers, then you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. Her name's Jessica. She's from Brazil. She's 19. Her address is Paris Street, number 17, F3, Rabat. So let's see the answers. Her name's Jessica. What's the question? The question is, what's her name? What's her name? Her name's Jessica. Number 2. She's from Brazil. What's the question? Where's she from? She's from Brazil. If you write, where is she from? It's correct. If you write, what is her name? It's correct also. Let's go to number 3. She's 19. What's the question? Oh, we are speaking about age. How old are you? No, it's not correct because we have she's. We don't have I am. So how old is he? No, we have she. So how old is she is the correct question. The last question, what's her address? Her address is Paris Street, number 17, F3, Rabat. So write the answers, then you can go to the next slide. If you haven't finished, stop the video here. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. His name's Stefan. He's from Germany. He's 38. His address is Miami Street, number 72, C1, Berlin. Let's see the answers. His name's Stefan. What's the question? So the question is, what's his name? What's his name? His name's Stefan. Yes. Number 2. He's from Germany. What's the question? Where's he from? Where's he from? He's from Germany. Number 3, he's 38. What's the question? We are speaking about age, and we have he. How old is he? If you say how old are you, it's not correct because we don't have I am. If you say how old is she, it's not correct because we have he. So the best answer is, how old is he? How old is he? He's 38. The last question, what's his address? His address is Miami Street, number 72, C1, Berlin. So write the answers. If you have finished, you can go to the next slide. If you haven't finished, stop the video until you finish. Let's go to the next slide. What are the days of the week? If you say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, they are in this order. They are correct, but it's better to write them in order. Let's see the answers. The first day of the week, let's say Monday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. The third day of the week is Wednesday. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. The fifth day of the week is Friday. The sixth day of the week is Saturday. And the seventh and the last day of the week is Sunday. Try to practice them and to learn them by heart. If you have finished, you can go to the next slide. If you haven't, stop the video until you finish. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions. Her phone numbers, his phone numbers, our phone numbers, their phone numbers. Let's see the questions. Her phone numbers 00212678675456. So what's the question? The question is, what's her phone number? What's her phone number? Her phone numbers. Number 2. His mobile number is, or his mobile numbers 0033509867543447. What's the question? The question is, what's his mobile number? Number 3. Our phone numbers 00237098675434. The question here, we have 2 answers. So the best answer is, what's your phone number? So your here, it means plural. You all. What's your phone number? And if you say, what's our phone number, it's also correct. But the best answer is, what's your phone number? And the last question, what's their mobile number? Their mobile numbers 0044975867 So write the answers and you can move to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Write the following numbers in words. So the first number is 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we want you to know how to write these numbers from 11 to 20. Let's see the correct answers. 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So the problem with these numbers from 13 to 19, students, they write T-E-N, one E. No, it's double E. And some students, they write 15. It's not 15, it's 15. And in 13, they write it with E, not I. So it's with I.